All right, welcome to range day 34. Today we're going to be testing out the new arrows that I built. Well, wrapped and then refletched, but still counts. We're going to see how they're flying today. I made 5 so far. Just want to see how I'm doing with that. So we're going to do 20 yards, then 30, and then see how they're flying at 40. See if I need to make adjustments or something, but let's see how they fly today. So let's go. All right, so here's at 20. So it could just be my aiming. As far as like how wide that group is, it obviously could be a lot better. So they're flying pretty straight though at 20. So we're gonna move to 30 and 40, and then we're gonna hone back in on getting the groupings better. So let's go.